You got a problem with it?
No.
You got a problem with her, you got a problem with me.
Can we say lesbians?
You got a problem with that?
I just want to hang out. If you got a problem with me, I'll go.
You got a problem, trooper? No problem, sir.
You got a problem with my singing?
It's perfectly fine.
You got a problem with that? No. Yes, I don't have a problem with that.
If you got a problem with it, you can carry me out. You can carry me out. Carry me out. Go for it.
You got a problem with that? Jordan?
No. No problem at all.
You're not driving again, are you?
Listen, I can drive anything on wheels. You have a problem with that?
You got a problem with it?
Yeah. You changed the date, moved everything around. This whole job changed dramatically.
That's why you're doing all this. You want to make some cash for your people before you check out.
You got a problem with that?
I'm putting you in charge of his chalk. You got a problem with that?
No, sir.
Yeah, it's a big responsibility.
You got a problem with that? Because if you do, please feel free to drop it in my suggestion box here.
Take off your clothes.
What? Here now?
Yeah, you got a problem with that?
Oh, no.
Hey, listen, kid, I'm okie dokie and I changed the steps. You got a problem with that?
You're supposed to be nice to me no matter what I do!
What are you? Some kind of silly cartoon?
You got a problem with cartoons?